I don't know what we doing. Sun's out, guns out. Up to this trailer. Same way. Same way, same day. Okay. Got this automatic. Sometimes I be missing. Driving the stick. Get you lazy. Hook up. I run the alcohol brewery, swap out the trailer, come back, get this trailer, and then shoot over to Jessup, and then come right back. Good. See this? You up against that trailer, up against there. But if you hook up on an angle like that, you basically just pull straight out. For the most part, your trailer will clear whatever. See how it's gonna clear it. Clear, like when the trailers park right up against each other parallel. It's a little trick. If you just come in on that real angle, hook up, and then just pull straight up and then turn. The trailer come right with you. Right. Get this AC jumping on. I got the shades on today. It's nice and sunny out, but it's only like 77, so perfect. Got a bee up in here. Now, I ain't get back till like 10 yesterday. Got back, went to the crib, got something to eat, and went to sleep. Woke up. We got a newborn, so woke up. Went for a walk with my 2-year-old. Well, he about to be 2-year-old. And then me, him, and my 4-year-old went to Walmart and Aldi. I don't know if y'all got Aldi. Everybody got Walmart. Went to Walmart and Aldi. Go shopping for them. Now we rolling out. It's like 12 noon. All good though. There ain't nothing to it but to do it. Today is perfect out though. It's nice and sunny, but it ain't humid. See, I'm up in the mid-Atlantic. It gets humid up here. We drop, we hook, gone. Shit took I be pulling into places like this, and y'all over the road drivers be trying to thinking I'm getting in y'all way, getting in y'all dock. I'm like, homie, chill. My trailer's over there. I'm dropping, hooking, and booking. They got the hitters out here. I don't know what we doing. We're gonna move it up out the way. Do they little signs. This one heavy, shit. The barrel's a little heavy. That should be cool, that should be cool. Now they having to move the trucks. These trucks all in the way. I don't know why they box us in like that. Try to get it out of there. I don't know why they do that. They have plenty of space to not block the trailer in like that. Let's see what we got going. What y'all thinking? See, I know I can probably get it out. See him, if he would have just backed up a little more, no, we come and get the trailer. I can get it out. It's just getting out when I in, but let's show y'all my skills. Now we're gonna have to push in mirrors and all type of things. That's what you gotta do sometimes. Trucking ain't easy, man. Drop. I'm gonna try to wiggle this out. I made that look too easy, and now I can't even really complain to him about it. I should have made it look a little harder. Out from the store, had to stop and take my DOT, my 30-minute mandated break. Been on duty 8 hours. Nah, but I had to stop. I was thirsty, had to get something to drink. We back in the hometown. Just gotta go park the truck, hop in the whip, and take it to the crib.